have learnt the lesson fully. I told you I have given the homework to complete all the lesson reading and to understand whatever it is there in that lesson. Okay. So today we are going to complete this practice zone. So all of you open page number 16 in your textbooks and we'll complete this. If it is right, you have to keep right mark. If it is wrong, you have to keep the cross mark. So put a tick mark for the correct answer and a cross mark for the wrong answer. Alicia wanted to go inside the house. Right or wrong? So can you read it? If you read the answer, you can give the answer fast. Fastly you can give the answer. Alicia, Rohit, Neha and Vijay were walking back to the school and Ajay declared that a shortcut all it soon. So we are reading why, because Alicia protested in scared to turn. So she don't want. She decided to explore the house and walk towards it. You know the people in it will be probably by speaking. Alicia protested to scared turn. So it's first one is wrong. Second one, the wizard name was David Sullivan, right? Third one, the wizard stood in a bright and well lit room. He stood in a well bright room. Huh? Yes. Neha wanted a bicycle for her birthday. Rohit saw the old man daily while going to the school. Rohit or all? The wizard spell did change the life of the old man? Yes. The wizard punished the children for the compassionate. Wrong. So these are the right or wrongs for that. And describe the room in the house. So after completing this, I am going to write the question answers in your book. So you write down. So how the house is, they want to describe it. Describe the house. The interior. House was actually scary. It was lit up by a few candles and shown a dusty and large room. bitter judgment, they were drawn towards the vastly designed and totally out of place looking construction. What does this tell you about the children? So they will be having an awareness that there will be a construction there. So they have seen the construction, some construction is going on there. What the people have seen, what they have done about the seeing the constructions there. The people thought that whatever the constructions is done in there, they are having, they have seen the situation, and what they did, they thought that it is looking somewhat ghost type. The jaw a peep and it strangers, the short people standing at the edge of the table about this pointed a candle, precluded numerous racket and a book with the man was had in their hand. Suddenly they stood. This trembling, the children opened the door. Yeah. They were trembling, trembling with fear. Fear and stood, calm down, ragging, good with his calm and collected dementia. Okay. What is the next question? What a lot of selfish people we are. Why did Rohit make these statements? Was he right? Why not? Okay. What a lot of selfish people we are. Why Rohit make this statement? Was he right? Why not? Okay. So this is the second question. I got the first, third one I'll write up. Third answer. A lot of selfish people. We are think about other people who need this spell. I know of a person who need this spell more than us. What is the next question? Write the lines that shows that the wizard tried to show the children to change their decision regarding to the magic spells. Write a line that shows the wizard to try to show the children to change their decision regarding the magic spell. I am the greatest wizard of all time. I have magical powers. Magical powers. The children ask, asking, surprised. I have homework is write, complete page number 18, E and F bit question and answers. These are the answers to be written, and in the next session we are going to learn about the concept and the connections about the synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms and antonyms we are going to learn in the next session. These are the question answers, you have to write it. You use pencil only, don't use pen. And meanwhile, while whatever the questions I have written on the board, you have to complete it. The homework I have given is to have a glance on the question answers and check whether the question answers which you have wrote are written properly. And the questions I am going to explain you is the story can be divided into 3 main episodes. So in 3 main episodes, episodes is nothing but it's a part, 3 parts, which is divided into 3 parts. Give a ceremony of each in the following heads. So give one ceremonies of what the children meet a wizard. Okay. So why they meet, how they met, everything, whatever they have done it, what they have done it, everything you have to write in a first episode. In the second episode, the change in the old man situation. So what happened to the situation when it is turned the situation of an old man, he became the young man, and his house is with a small hut, it became a big building. The food is glowing in the kitchen. Everything you have to write the situation after changing what the old man situation, how it is. And in the episodes 3, the wizard vanished, isn't it? At the last time, in the end of the lesson, we cannot see the wizard, he is there. And the children get rewarded. So everybody got the rewarded, rewarded he got, and what he wrote in the envelope about the children's gifts, what they want to give, everything it is written there. And it is divided into 3 episodes. So I already told that story is divided into 3 episodes. In the first episode, they are going to the school. They are going in a same way. They have changed the shortcut. In the second, that they have went into the purple house. Everything, okay. In the purple house, what happened, what the wizard said, that what he said, what he told, what he had done, everything he has written in the second episode. In the third episode, the old man became the young man. The situation is changed. The hut is changed into a building, and next they got the gifts. Everybody got the gifts for everything, and everything has changed, right? So you have to write, you have to divide it, and you have to write here in the space given. That is the homework, that is the question what I have to explain you. And the next question, F-bit question is, how is Rohit different from the rest of the children? Support your answer with the example from the textbook. So if you read this textbook, Rohit, can you see the Rohit, he is different from others. His ideas, his thinking, everything is different from the rest of the peoples rest of the children who are there. So support your answer with examples from the textbook. So whatever the examples are there, how many examples are there about the Rohit? So you can see Rohit, one example I am going to tell you. So in the page number, declare always ready. So is there in the page number 10. In the page number 10 he is there. If you read there, in that the Rohit example will be getting, and in page number 11 one more example you will get. In page number 12 also, in one page some are there, some situation, some what we say, some examples are there about Rohit, and everything, everybody what they will think and what the thinking mindset he is having. So they are having the different type of mindset. So these two question answers you write by your own. These two question answers again I am going to reveal the answers in the next session. In that session I am going to give you these two answers, and if you have not written the notes perfectly about this lesson 1, after the opening of the school I am going to give this question answers again to you. So no need to worry about that one. So E bit and F bit question answers you have to write, and whatever the episodes is are divided into 3 episodes. This for lesson 1, chapter 1, that is the wizard spell. So you have to write that question answers there. So read it thoroughly, properly, understand it, and then what are the situation, what are the episodes they are given. Keep it in your mind and write one or two sentences about that one in E bit answer, and F bit answer you write the examples and support your answer to Rohit in this textbook. If you read it, you will be getting. And in the next session we are going to have a concept connections with synonyms and antonyms. These are the two we are going to learn it. So why we use this one, and what are the uses of this one, and what we'll get from this one, everything I am going to tell you in the next session. So meanwhile I want a clarity that everybody must buy the books as soon as possible, and you have to complete the notes properly, and you are at home, you can write neatly. You can take a time, how much time you want you can take, and you have to complete the question answers. And I want everybody to write neat handwriting, don't be write ugly handwriting. And so this you one more time I am going to explain this practice zone. Put a tick mark, one more time I am going to explain it. If you have any doubts you can clear it there. Elisha wanted to go inside the room. So Elisha wanted to go inside the room or not? If you read the lesson, if you are understood the lesson, I have given the answers. The wizard name was David Shalvan. So those who will do the wizard, that is the magic power, who is having that man's name is David Shalvan, and the wizard stood in a bright and a well lit room. So the wizard stood, that wizard which is the man David Shalvan, he stood in a bright and a well lit room. Lit room means it is lit with candles. Neha wanted a bicycle for her birthday. Neha asked that she wanted a bicycle for the birthday, and Rohit saw the old man daily while going to the school. So while going, Rohit saw the man who daily while going to the school, that man is starving with suffering from food and not having the good clothes, and he is having a bad clothes, small hut, and not even if anybody will come to help him, he will not able to take the help from that man's. Like that he is the man. The wizard's spell did not change the life of the old man. So the wizard did not spell the wizard's spell did change the life of the old man. Yes, so whatever the spell he did with that spell, the man who are the old man suffering from that old house, not having food, that man has changed or not with that wizard spell. The wizard punished the children for their compassionate. So compassionate for that, whatever they told about that, the children are punished or they are given the gifts for that, what they have compassionate. These are the questions, these are the right or wrongs that we have completed today, and question answers also we have completed. I have given the homework of E and F. E and F question answers are also I have explained you about that one. Okay, so I want everybody, each and everybody write that, complete that homework which I have given you. So complete page number 18, E and F bit question answers in your concept book. And in the next section we are going to have a look on the antimonies and synonyms. So which we will complete in the next session, and these two questions I am going to reveal that day, and I am going to write it, and I am going to tell you. So that is for today. Have a nice day. Thank you all.